Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp step by step using the easy method. This is a great way to manage your contact names so you can send clean updates to everyone without any trouble. Let's get into it. First, set up your account and audience list folder. The first step is to open the website, create your free profile, and build the main digital folder where all your subscriber email addresses will be stored. Open your web browser, sign up for a fresh profile, log in, and click on the audience icon on the left side menu. Click on the button to manage your audience and select the option to view your main contacts list. Because you cannot send a group letter without creating a specific bucket to hold your names first. You have to set up this main folder so the system knows who is allowed to receive your updates. Without this step, your account would be completely empty and you wouldn't have any addresses to send your work to. Next, add your contacts and email addresses. You need to import your existing list of follower names and email addresses into your new digital storage folder so the system can save them. Click on the Add Contacts button, select the option to upload a file or copy-paste, and drop your list of names into the box. Check the little safety box to confirm that these people gave you permission to write to them, and click the Import button. Because typing in every single email address one by one would take all day. By uploading your entire list together, you quickly fill up your database with real readers. It ensures the system copies all the names over accurately and prepares your contact rows for your first group message. Next, create a new email design. Now you need to open the Writing Workshop section and design a beautiful, clean letter template that your readers will see when they open their mail. Move your pointer to the sidebar, click on the Create button, select the Email option, and pick a simple template layout. Click inside the text boxes to type your message headline, drop in your personal update paragraphs, and add a nice picture if you want. Because the look of your letter determines whether people will actually read your content or throw it in the trash. By designing a neat layout, you make sure your message is easy to read on both computer screens and mobile phones. It is the key step to getting the right output, because a clean design makes your work look highly organized. Next, set your sender details and send the message. The final step is to fill out the delivery details, double-check your text for mistakes, and press the main button to blast your letter out to everyone on your list. Type your personal name into the From box, add a catchy line in the Subject box, select your audience list, and click the Send button in the top corner. Review the final checklist on your screen to ensure all your boxes have green check marks, and click the Confirm button to let it fly. Because it tells the big computer servers to take your completed design and drop it into hundreds of personal inboxes instantly. Once you click that final confirmation button, your message goes out to your whole crowd at once, and the system starts tracking how many people open it. Now your email broadcast setup is complete and working beautifully. And that's it. To use Mailchimp step by step, you must first set up your account and audience list folder. Then you add your contacts and email addresses into the system. Next, you use the design board to create a new email design with your personal text. Finally, you fill out your sender details and hit Send to deliver your message to everyone. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.